up, you guys? It's your girl, Clogger Harmony. And today I'm at James Hot Chicken. And now I'm gonna go inside. Guys, our food is finally done. Now I'm going to go get it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
What kind of sauce?
That's what's in those cups there as well. My name's Paul. If y'all need anything else, this is good.
Somebody get these two. What flavor?
Why don't got fries?
I don't know which is which. You hear me? I don't know which is which. Just stick it to turkey. This is mine. This is mine. Okay.
Okay.
See what it's like? I'm gonna eat the sun. I'm gonna eat the sun. I gotta taste this. Did you wipe your hands? One on Harmony. Did you wipe your hands?
Oh, you got one?
Mom. Alright. That's our food. I'm gonna rate the food. Fried. Bush food, bush.
I think I should make one. I like TikTok. Y'all think I will?
That's my food.
Y'all think that?
Yeah, cheese.
Yes.
It's a fluff line around your food.
Y'all want to move away from me?
I made one, but I ain't gonna put on my vision. I'm gonna just record the food. Everybody do. I'm gonna add a sound over that can be a talking to person.
This is layer sauce? What?
They call it that.
Yeah.
You want my dad sauce? Mama?
You don't like it?
Put it in my draft.
I didn't try it.
Later on.
Well, I just want it on my hand.
Huh? Not even no God now.
You should get some
What's
too.
it, Bob?
All together is
They sound good.
I like it.
You got thanks for
What it taste
watching. Bye.